I'm playing against another American, playing against Alexander Bortnik. All right, let's get going. We got to go emote. There we go. Okay, there we go. Play c4. What do I want to do here? I guess I'm gonna go c6 d5. I mean, I can try to be solid. Oh, that was my mouse. It jumped a little bit. Which line do I want to play? I guess I'll play the standard line. I can take with the e pawn. I'm gonna take with the e pawn and play h5. Actually, I'm gonna play this old h5 line. Castle. Go. I believe rook e8 is correct here, and then knight d7. Goes knight f4. I mean, h4, I believe, is still playable here. Wait, did I blunder this or something? Wait. If I go queen c7... Wait a second, Don't tell me I already blundered here. There's g6, there's queen c7. What am I missing here? If I go queen c7, g3, hg, hg. I'd be very careful here. He takes. What did I just do? Did I just blunder this game already here? I don't believe this. I think I might have just thrown this game away already. No, wait, maybe I have queen d7? And queen g4. I'm way down on time, though. Way down. I'm down like 20 years on the clock. What am I even doing here? f4, I probably trade and go queen d5. I still have g6. I don't really want to take. Trade. I'm too slow. I'll just go for this. It's not what I want to do, but I shouldn't be able to lose this endgame. Should be stable enough. He's got two bishops, and he's got a big time edge, but I should not really be losing here. He caught me off guard with this line that he played. I'm marginally worse here, but I'll just go here. I have g5 or knight g6 maybe. Goes there, logical. I'm gonna go here. There's a4, reasonable. So go g5. I don't really like g5. g6 is what I wanted to play, but I assume with knight f4 I should be fine. That's right, you can't offer a draw until move 30. Goes there. I mean, I can play bishop b5 here. I don't know if it's bad. I mean, maybe it's bad for some reason, but skeptical, though. Very skeptical about this from him. He's 6 rook e1. I can go king f8, king e8. I'm just gonna go here and trade. I'm either much worse here or I'm completely fine. Go here. No, I think I'm fine now. I think Bortnik missed king d7, king c6. Yeah, he missed this, and now, I mean, it's still probably a draw. But he's gonna be very careful here, because I have, like... There's also knight f4. Yeah, there's rook h8, rook h2, which is very scary now. But how do I play this? I have e5. No, that's no good. Maybe just king c6. Okay, it goes b4. I mean, I have rook h8. I think I'll just go here because now I have rook c8 maybe as well. Tough position. Very, very hard to judge what's going on here. Go here, takes. I mean, the thing is my pawn's on the opposite color of the... Now I have rook c8. And rook c3. I mean, it's still probably a draw. But Bortnik's trying to make a mess out of this. Getting a little bit dangerous. I think it's still a draw, but okay. Now the thing is, how do I? Is there any way to win this? I'm trying to figure out. Can my knight go somewhere like maybe f5, f5, f4? Let's go f5. If I get f4, e5, I'm starting to press a little bit. I can take. Still a draw though. Takes. I mean, I can take. I can go rook e4 also. Oh, pre-move pushes a6. I mean, it's still a draw with perfect play, of course, but then goes there. Okay, of course I take here. This looks suspicious to me. I mean, I have rook g5. I'll go rook e1. I can't go g3 and win. I can go king f7, king g6, but it does nothing. It's probably just a draw, though. But I can play on for a long time. I mean, I put the rook on c4 and just play on. Here. Here, maybe? It's a good move. Still tricky, though. Oh, wait, I'm so low on time. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, yeah. I tricked him. Or wait, did I trick him? No, this must be winning, right? No, this must be winning. Yeah. No, I just built a bridge. There we go. We got the win.